Now, types of aluminum copper alloys. This is known as series 2X. Okay, so this is just a name. Okay, has been given to the alloy. Okay, so different alloys or different element alloys have been given a different name. Okay, so here if it is the aluminum, then it is aluminum with copper, then it is given a name of 2 triple X. Okay, this is a series of material science. Okay, so aluminum copper alloys belong to the series of 2 triple X series. What does it mean? The means the 2 triple X series of aluminum alloys are primarily composed of aluminum and copper as their main alloying element, with a smaller addition of other elements such as the magnesium and manganese of aluminum alloys. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? The simple that I have made you know that 2 triple X is just a kind of name. If somewhere it is written 2 triple X, it means it is a alloy which is of having two more major component, which is aluminum and it is simply when it is written as an aluminum alloy, or you can say if 2 triple X, it means it is an aluminum alloy. First, the aluminum alloy. Once you have decided that it's an aluminum alloy, it means the major part of that alloy would be of aluminum. What is the next? Next is the copper. Okay, and this is the two major parts of that alloy, and rest some very few fractions of by volume is being by incorporated by other elements as well, like magnesium, manganese, and these all are the other elements. Okay,